This is my quick, easy, cheap solution for putting a Hue switch on top of an existing rocker panel switch. When I started looking, I did find a plate that looked like this at my hardware store. And I looked at it and said, nah, I think you're a little too thick. What other solutions could I do? So I found by doubling my plate up, it turns out thinner by the time I end up adding the Hue switch to it. This is my solution for the Hue, mounting it over another switch. I simply used a double face plate, put two of them together. I used a 3/4 inch screw, 6 by 32nd, I think it is. There's Velcro on the back. I'm going to cover it up. And that's it. I hope you found this video informative.